Hey fam, imagine the soft rain falling around you. Each drop a reminder to breathe and let go. Today we're going to flow with that energy, moving, stretching, and waking up our bodies in perfect harmony with nature. In just 5 minutes, we'll unlock flexibility and calm, feeling more connected to ourselves and the world. Ready to flow with the rain? Let's begin. Start in child's pose, knees wide, arms stretched forward, and your forehead resting on the mat. Feel the rain tapping lightly on your back, inviting you to relax deeper. Inhale deeply, and as you exhale, flow forward into cobra stretch, lifting your chest toward the sky. The rain rolls off your shoulders as your heart opens. Move between these two poses for 1 minute, like the rain moving through the clouds. In child's pose, you're grounded, and in cobra, you rise and open. With each breath, feel the stretch grow, your spine lengthening and your body letting go. Press up into downward dog, lifting your hips high. Your body forms a strong, steady V shape as the rain lightly falls. Press your heels toward the ground and feel the stretch deepen in your hamstrings and calves. Hold this pose for 1 minute, letting the rain cool your skin. If your legs feel tight, gently pedal your feet, bending one knee at a time. Every stretch, every drop of rain brings a little more flexibility, a little more release into your body. Step your right foot forward into a low lunge, feeling the earth beneath you, grounding you. Inhale as you lift your right arm toward the sky, twisting your torso open. The rain drips down your extended arm as you stretch. Hold for 1 minute. Each exhale allows your hips to sink deeper and your chest to open wider. The rain flows around you, a reminder to let go of any tightness, to twist a little more freely with each breath. Switch sides, stepping your left foot forward into a low lunge. Inhale, lifting your left arm up to the sky. The rain touches your skin, cool and refreshing, as you open your chest and twist your spine. Hold this twist for 1 minute, breathing deeply. Each exhale helps you release tension in your hips, your back, your mind. The rain isn't just falling, it's part of your flow, washing away tightness as you open up your body. Step foot forward into warrior one. Legs strong, arms reaching high toward the sky. Feel the rain tap lightly on your fingertips. Hold this powerful stance for 1 minute. Each inhale opens your heart wider. Each exhale grounds you deeper into the earth. The rain falls, your body opens, and your spirit rises. Strong, flexible, and free. Beautiful work, fam. In just 5 minutes, you've moved with the rain, stretched your body, and opened your heart. Keep this feeling going. Check out another stretching video to stay flexible. Or dive into a home workout to build strength. Better yet, try a meditation to center your mind. Keep flowing, stay connected, and I'll see you in the next video. Let's go, fam.